that one goes over this one. Yes.
Now what's next?
Next is the signs right there.
Yep, that's right.
Right there. What there and I
Now you go down to that.
Then it goes upside down. And
Now this one's going to be kind of hard because that
you can do it.
goes there.
Okay. It's good. Now watch.
What's the first thing you do?
That.
Yep.
And I think where that is right here and grab. Yes. Now we need that one. We already got that one. Oh. And there.
Yep.
And this goes at this. Okay, that goes on the other side. Is this right?
That's exact. Move it. That's right, but you need to move it up one. You got it too far back.
How?
It needs to be. It needs to be on those four.
All these?
Yes. So you had it right, but you just didn't have it far enough forward. Actually, you know what?
What?
You were right. Daddy was wrong. You were right. I'm sorry. You were right. Daddy was wrong. There you go. I fixed it for you.
Now